In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and adjust an arrow shape in your Microsoft Word document. This technique is straightforward yet incredibly useful for adding visual elements to your documents, like highlighting specific parts of text or indicating direction in process diagrams. So let's dive in and get started. First, you need to open your Microsoft Word file. This step is about preparing your workspace. Whether you're working with an existing document or a brand new file, make sure it's open and ready on your screen. Having your Word document open means you're all set to start adding shapes. Next, you head over to the Insert tab. You can find it at the top of your Word interface. The Insert tab is where you find a variety of options to add different elements to your document, like pictures, tables, and of course, shapes. Clicking on this tab will expand a menu of options that you'll find helpful for enriching your document's layout and appearance. Once you're in the Insert tab, you'll see the Shapes option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various shape options. Microsoft Word offers a robust selection, so feel free to explore. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on the arrow shape. This useful tool can point out important areas and make your document much more engaging and easier to understand. After selecting the arrow shape, you're free to draw it on your page. Position your cursor where you want to start the arrow, click and drag to the desired endpoint. This action will not only draw the arrow, but it will also give you the opportunity to adjust its size according to your needs. You can make it as long or as short as suits your document's layout and purpose. It's all about what you need to highlight or emphasize. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully added an arrow shape to your Microsoft Word document and adjusted it to fit your needs. This simple addition can really enhance the clarity and functionality of your document, providing visual cues or highlighting important information for your readers. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clearer and you'll find it easy to repeat whenever you need to add visual elements to your Word documents. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your document applications.